In today's video, you will see 3 natural ways to get rid of dandruff. If you have ever noticed some white flakes on your shirt, then you probably have dandruff. Dandruff is an uncomfortable situation that, besides leaving white, dry flakes all over your hair, also causes itchiness, irritation, or burning sensation on the scalp. Dandruff appears in any type of hair, as it is caused by excessive dryness and the buildup of oil. The secret to ending dandruff is to wash your hair daily with shampoos for this specific issue to control the oiliness on your scalp. The good news is that you can also fight dandruff with some natural homemade medicines that will get rid of your dandruff and nourish and strengthen your hair. Since many of you have this issue and asked in the comments of past videos for a natural treatment for dandruff, today we will share 3 homemade medicines to help you get rid of it. Apple cider vinegar. With antioxidant properties, it helps increase immunity, balances the skin pH, and also reduces inflammation. Apple cider vinegar fights dandruff by making it harder for the fungi to proliferate on the scalp. In a spray bottle, mix 1 cup of apple cider vinegar and 1 cup of water. Spray on your scalp 2 to 3 times a week. Gently massage your hair roots. Let it sit for 20 minutes, then rinse. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is famous in the beauty universe for being rich in vitamins and anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties that ensure a huge improvement in dandruff. Extract the gel from the plant. Apply over your scalp, gently massaging, and let it sit for 30 minutes. Then rinse your hair as usual. Eggs and honey. This hair mask gets rid of dandruff, nourishes the hair, and restores the production of oil. Both ingredients contain enzymes and essential amino acids that help with hair loss. To make this mask, whisk an egg with 2 tablespoons of honey. Apply it over your hair, cover your head with a shower cap, and wait 30 minutes. After that, rinse your hair with your usual shampoo. Do this treatment 3 times a week. Besides these natural medicines, changing some habits also help you get rid of dandruff and keep your hair healthy. For example, avoid hot showers as it stimulates the oiliness in your hair. Avoid fatty foods. Avoid sleeping or tying your hair when it is wet or humid. Don't scratch your scalp with your nails to avoid hurting it. Massage the scalp with your fingertips with gentle and circular motions. Avoid wearing hats and caps. If you have dandruff, add these new habits to your routine and try one of these recipes to get rid of it. Then come back here and tell us what you think. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.